Alright, the sum of the fourth term and the eighth term of an arithmetic series is negative 54, and the sum of the first 10 terms is negative 200. Determine the series. The first statement is telling us that the fourth term, that is T4, plus the eighth term is equal to negative 54, and the sum of the first 10 terms is negative 200. So we can make use of this information to come up with two equations which we can then solve simultaneously to get the value of A and the value of G. We use the A and G to determine the series. That's how we answer the question. Now, for T4, knowing that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D, the general term there, it's A plus your n is 4, so it's 4 minus 1 times D, plus your T8 now is A plus 8 minus 1D. And when you add these two, you are supposed to get negative 54. So this is A plus 3D plus A plus 7D, and this is equal to negative 54. Put these together, A and A is 2A plus 3D and 7D. 10D is equal to negative 54. That is the first equation there. So the first equation is coming from this statement, and then we are getting the second statement from this one. We know that the sum of n terms is equal to n over 2 bracket 2a plus a minus 1d. This is the formula for the sum of terms. In this case is the sum of 10 terms. So in place of Sn, we are putting 200, and your n is equal to 10 there. So we are saying 10 over 2 bracket 2a plus, your n is 10, so it's 10 minus 1, but we do not know d yet, and we are told that the sum there is negative 200. And then simplify this, we have this is 5 bracket 2a plus 9d, that's equal to negative 200. Then we can divide both sides by 5. We have 2a plus 9d is equal to negative 200 divided by 5. We get 40, negative 40. And this is the second equation. Now we need to solve the two equations simultaneously. We have 2a plus term d is equal to negative 54. That's the first equation. And then the second equation, 2a plus 9d is equal to negative 40. And this is the second equation. Now we need to solve the two equations for a and d. We can just start by saying equation number 2 minus equation number 1. Or it's equation number 1 minus equation number 2. What do we have there? 2a minus 2a, we get a 0 there. 10d minus 9d, we get a d. Negative 54 minus a negative 40, that becomes positive there, so we get a negative 14. So our d there is negative 14, and then make use of one of the equations to get the value of a. I'm substituting into the second one, your 2a plus 9 multiplied by negative 14 is equal to negative 40. and then 2a, this is negative 126, it goes to the other side, it becomes positive, so 2a is equal to 126 minus 40, and your 2a then should be equal to 86, and your a is equal to 43. So we now have the value of a and the value of d. The question was asking us to determine the series, so to determine the series we just have to have a, then we determine the second term, and then we determine the third term making use of d. So the first term there is your 43, and then 43 plus a negative 14, we get 29, and then that 29 plus a negative 14, once again we get 15, and then this is the series that we were supposed to determine. So we have used simultaneous equations in arithmetic series to determine the three terms.